Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to Online Teaching Academy, Ekalavam. Class 8, topic linear equation, self practice 7a, and we are going to see the continuation of 7a. That is 9th sum, till 9th sum we have completed. We are going to see the 10th sum now. Okay, listen. 0.1 into t minus 3 is equal to 0.15 into t minus 4. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to multiply 0.1 into t and 0.1 into minus 3. So when you multiply 0.1 into t, what will you get? 0.1 t, and 0.1 into minus 3, what will you get? Minus 0.3. Okay, and now we have to multiply 0.15 into t, 0.15 t. And when you multiply 0.15 into minus 4, we will get minus 0.60. Okay. Now, we are going to bring all the t's one side and all the numbers one side. So, here you see 0.1 t and plus 0.15 t. When I bring this side, I will get minus 0.15 t. Is equal to, what is here? Minus 0.60. There is no value for this 0 after the decimal. So, I am writing 0.6, minus 0.6. When I bring this minus 0.3, it becomes plus 0.3. Okay. Now, we are going to subtract the 0.1 t and minus 0.15 t. So, when I subtract, what I will get? 0.15 minus 0.11 t. When I subtract, what I will get? 0.05. So, I will get 0.05 t. What is the bigger number symbol? Bigger number symbol is minus. So, I will put minus 0.05 t is equal to, when I subtract these two, what I will get? 0.6 minus 0.3. Okay, different symbol we have to subtract and we have to put the greater number symbol, right? So, when I subtract this, what I will get? Minus 0.3. Okay, I need to find the value of the variable t. So, when I keep this t as it is and I am bringing this minus minus cancel, so 0.3, and I am dividing this 0.05. Okay, now I have to make it as a whole number. So, what I am going to do here, how many decimal places are there? 2 decimal places. So, that I am going to multiply with 100. Okay, so 0.3 into 100, multiplying and dividing by 100. So, 0.05 into 100. Okay, so what I will get? 300, that is 30.0 is, and this you will get 5.00. There is no value for this 0 and this 0. So, 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. So, what is the value of t we got? T is equal to 6. Do you understand this? Shall you go to the next sum, children? Yes, listen to this. 2 into x minus 2 plus 5 is equal to 4 into x minus 6 plus 3. Okay. So, we have to multiply 2 into x, 2x. And 2 into minus 2, minus 4, plus 5 is equal to 4 into x, 4x, and 4 into minus 6, minus 24, plus 3. Okay. Now, see this 2x, 5 minus 4, what we can do? Plus 1 is equal to 4x, minus 24 plus 3. We have to subtract and put the greater number symbol when we have different symbols. So, greater number symbol is minus. When we subtract 24 and 3, we will get 21. Okay. Now, I am going to bring all the x one side and the numbers one side. So, what we will get? 2x minus 4x is equal to minus 21. Plus 1 becomes minus 1. Okay. Now, minus 2x is equal to minus 22. Same symbol, add and put the same symbol, right? Yes. Now, minus minus get cancelled. So, I have to find the value of x alone. So, I can write x is equal to 22 by 2. 2 ones are 2 11s are. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 11. Okay. Shall we move to the 12th sum? Listen this. 2m into m minus 4 is minus 8 is equal to m into 2m minus 12. And what we are going to do? We are going to multiply 2m into m, 2m square. Okay. Minus 4 into 2m, minus 8m. Minus 8 is equal to 2m into m, 2m square. Minus 12 into m, minus 12m. Okay. Now I can cancel this 2m square and 2m square. Okay. Yes. Then what is the remaining? I am going to bring the m and all one side, numbers one side. So I have here minus 8m and that minus 12m becomes plus 12m and this minus 8 becomes plus 8. Okay. So what is 12m minus 8m? 4m is equal to 8. So m is equal to 8 by 4. Okay. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. M is equal to 2. Let us see the 13th sum now. 3a plus 2 into a minus 9 is equal to 6 minus 2a minus 3. So 3a, okay, plus 2 into a, 2a, minus 9 into 2, minus 18 is equal to 6 minus 2, minus into 2a, minus 2a, minus into minus 3 plus 3. Okay, yes. What is 3a plus 2a? 5a. 5a minus 18 is equal to, what is 6 plus 3? 9. Okay, minus 2a. Okay, now we are going to bring all the a's one side. 5a plus 2a is equal to 9. Minus 18 becomes plus 18. So when I add 5a plus 2a, I will get 7a. And what is 18 plus 9? That is 9 plus 18. We will get 27. So a is equal to 27 by 7. Okay. So therefore the value of a is 27 by 7. Now let us see the 14th sum. Okay. 8x minus 2 into 2 plus 3x is equal to 2 into 1 minus 2x minus 3 into x minus 1. Listen. 8x minus 2 into 2 minus 4 minus 2 into 3x minus 6x, okay, is equal to 2 into 1 2, yes, minus 2 into minus 2x minus 4x, okay, minus 3 into x minus 3x, minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. Okay, now you see what is 8x minus 6x? 2x minus 4 is equal to, yes, what is 2 plus 3? 5. And what is minus 4x minus 3x? Minus 7x. Now let us bring all the x one side. 2x minus 7x becomes plus 7x is equal to 5. Minus 4 becomes plus 4. Okay. Now what is 2x plus 7x? 9x is equal to, what is 5 plus 4? 9. So x is equal to 9 by 9. We will get the value of x is equal to 1. Okay. Shall we see the 15th sum? What is given? X by 2 plus x by 3 plus x by 6 is equal to 18. When you take LCM for 2, 3 and 6, you will get LCM as 6. Okay. So what you have to multiply 2 into 3. So 3 into x, 3x. So 3 into 2 only 6. So x into 2, 2x. Already 6 is there. 6 into 1, right? So x into 1, x is equal to 18. When you add all x, what will you get? 3x plus 2x plus x. Totally you will get 6x. So 6x by 6 is equal to 18. Now I can cancel 6 and 6 because it is in the numerator and denominator only. So 6 ones are 6 ones are. So you are having x is equal to 18. So the value of x is equal to 18. Yeah, let us see 16th sum now. 2x by 3 plus x by 4 plus x by 2 is equal to 34. Here we have to take LCM for 3, 4, 2. When you take LCM for 3, 4, 2, you will get 12. Okay. So 3 4s are 12. So 2x into 4, 8x. 4 into 3, 12. So x into 3, 3x. 2 into 6, 12. So x into 6, 6x. Now, when you add 8x plus 3x plus 6x, you are getting 17x. 17x by 12 is equal to 34. I need x alone. So, I am keeping this x as it is, and I am going to bring this 17 by 12. This side means the reciprocal of 17 by 12 is 12 by 17. So 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34. So what I'll get? X is equal to 2 into 12, 24. So the value of x is 24. Let us see the 17th sum. Okay. Now p plus 1 by 2 minus 2 into p minus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. Okay, let us take LCM for 2 and 3. What is the LCM for 2 and 3? 6. Now 2 into 3 only 6. So 3 into p plus 1 minus 3 into 2 only 6. So 2 into 2 into p minus 1, that is 4 into p minus 1 is equal to 0. Now 3 into p, 3p. 3 into 1 plus 3 minus 4 into p minus 4p minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4. Okay. This 6, division 6 becomes multiplication 6 when it go that side, right? So 0 into 6, 0. Okay. Now 3p minus 4p we will get minus p. And 3 plus 4 we will get 7 is equal to 0. We need p alone, so I am just keeping this as it is. So p is equal to plus 7 becomes minus 7. So I am cancelling minus minus. I will get the value of p is 7. So p is equal to 7. Shall we see the next sum? Yes, listen. Here consider the denominator as 1, and when you take LCM anyway you will get 4 only, right? So 1 into 4, so 6 4s are 24 minus 4 into 1 as it is. This into 1 we will get the same. 3 into n minus 7 is equal to 1 into n is n by 2. Okay. I can cancel this to 1s are, to 2s are 4. Okay. See here 24 minus 3 into n minus 3n. Minus into minus plus 3 into 7, 21, right? By 2 is equal to n. Okay. So now 24 plus 21, what I will get? 45. 45 minus 3n. This division 2 becomes multiplications 2. So is equal to 2n. I am taking this 3n that side means what I will get? 45 is equal to 2n plus 3n. 45, 3n plus 2n, what I will get? 5n. So, I have to find the value of n. So, how can I find? N is equal to 45 by 5. Yes, 5 is in multiplication. When I bring this side, division 5. So, 45 by 5. So, 5 ones are 5. 5 nines are 45. So, what is the value of n? 9. Do you understand this, children? Yeah, let us see 19th sum now. See the 19th sum. 10 minus 5 into 1 plus x by 3 plus 3x plus 1 by 5 is equal to 0. We are going to take LCM for Yes, 1, 3, 5. So what you will get for 3 and 5? If you take, we will get 15. Okay. So 1 into 15 only 15, right? So 15 into 10, what we will get? 150. Okay. So 3 into 5 only 15. So 5 into 5 we will get 25. So 25 into 1 plus x. Same like that. 5 into 3, 15. So 3 into 3x plus 1. 3 into 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now 150 minus 25 into 1 we will get minus 25. Minus 25 into x we will get minus 25x. 3 into 3x plus 9x. Plus 3 into 1 we will get plus 3. Okay, and this is in division. When I bring this side, it becomes multiplication. So 0 into 15 becomes 0. So I am just writing equal to 0. Now you see, take all the numbers. 150 minus 25 you will get 125. 125 plus 3, 128. Okay, now minus 25x plus 9x we will get minus 16x is equal to 0. Now minus 16x I am keeping as it is. This plus 128 becomes minus 128. Okay, I can cancel minus and minus, and I will get x is equal to 128 by 16. Yes. When I cancel this, what I will get? You can go by any other table. If it is 4 table, 4 4s are 16. 4 3s are 12 and 4 2s are 8. Okay, 4 1s are 4, 4 8s are 32. So what you will get? X is equal to 8. So the value of x is 8. Shall we go to the sum? Yes, listen. 20th one. 2b plus 1 by 5 minus b minus 1 by 3 is equal to 1. What is the LCM for 5 and 3? 15. Okay, so 5 into 3 is 15. So 3 into 2b plus 1 minus 3 into 5 is 15. So 5 into b minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so now you see 3 into 2b, what you will get? 6b. 3 into 1 plus 3 minus 5 into b minus 5b. Minus 5 into minus 1 plus 5. Okay, this division 15 becomes multiplication 15. So 1 into 15 I will get 15. Okay, now 6b minus 5b, 1b. So I can write as b. Okay, 3 plus 5 is 8 plus 8 is equal to 15. Okay, so b is equal to 15 plus 8 becomes minus 8. So what is 15 minus 8? 7. So the value of b is 7. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will get the latest updates. Thank you, children.